Okay, please, konting ano lang. Hindi na naman tayo mga bata. Okay, this is only a replica of the yearbook. Noong panahon 1981, kaya wala rin ako dito sa yearbook. That time, wala akong pambayad. Medyo kapos kami noon. Kaya I'm just asking those people na walang yearbook because lahat po nung nasa yearbook is a replica of yearbook. Ito. Ibigyan ko po kayo ng kopya so that you will cherish the book. Okay? Simulan po natin. Laguna College High School Batch 1981, 25th Silver Anniversary. Malayo na ang narating, subalit tuloy Laguna College pa rin. Ako po ngayon ay nasa Laguna College. Ibig sabihin, it is my second home to be with the Laguna College Department of Nursing. Okay? This is the cover of the book, The Academe 1981.
Talagang may design yun.
Tingnan po natin ang ating nagdaang Laguna College na hanggang ngayon ay wala pa rin pinta. 25 years ago. Ang may pinta lang po ay the College Department of Nursing na aking pinapaganda sa ngayon. Okay. Board of Trustees. We have Alfredo Evangelista, Romer Evangelista, Yunila Almeda, Natividad. The only living is Romel Evangelista, which is, siya po yung boss ko ngayon. Okay, the administrators. Okay, our very own Dr. Ampalo Aliasas is our high school principal. So makabilang buhay na po siya. And I hope that you will mag-pray kayo para sa kanya. Okay? Next is our dedication to our parents for the 4 years of dreaming and waiting. Your most awaited moment has come. The son and daughter you brought to Laguna College have finally transformed into the portraits you wanted them to be now. Now they are full-grown individuals in thoughts, in words, and in deeds. We thank our classmates